Alright, my people, welcome back. So you are going on now. It's the poacher. It's a poacher with tile already. If you remember how it in stay, but we cut the tile them right there so. Yeah. And join the new tile them to the whole tile. Well eventually. So welcome back my people. So right now we are going and we have the poacher. So what really happened? You have some existing tile on it. So we're going to join back, catch back them tile. We want to maintain a flatness back on this. But the problem we have now is these tile we are using now some 24 by 48. You know, a bigger tile compared to some. Find the new tile them to the whole tile. Well eventually people them want it dig up. Them some nice new tiles, so they want everything go right through. So right now this is how we depend, so we have to take out all of the pieces them back. Yeah, so I go cut in back them, yeah. Join it back. Yeah. So we have some joining up to do. So this is how we have to deal with it now. Yeah, so as I say, kind of difficult in a sense because you know them tile now, all of them big tile you have to bend down to the existing one. So yeah, that's how we might have like a challenge, you know, if get back a fall, push the water to you so. But anyhow, you know it have to work out. Yeah, so we depend on the morning. Yeah. And we have to make it work. So we are gonna make it work. Alright my people, so right now we start lay the tile them. Yeah, so as you can see, we are try to fit them in back. Yeah. So we are cutting at the meanwhile and I do everything. So we can fit them in back. So yeah, so over there and we start lay. Yeah, so as I say, we are going to run out some tile. Yeah, so everything I go on at the meanwhile. Eh? Yeah, so as I say, we have to cut on everything. So We take time to go on.
What kind of car is that you will have this morning, brother? The dangles.
Chew it kind of thin, you know? But maybe
And that's the one thing down so thick. This one shot in the thick.
Alright, let me show some more for that one. Yeah?
Hold on. When you need to the dangles, just go across there. And give him the arm.
No,
Give
man,
couple of them there where couple back cars. The more them are working so hard that that's it never takes too
I
long.
think you have some kind of...
No, you have some kind of dry still green.
one time that's a kind of quick one.
We have to line up.
So now we say we can lock your son. I want to pitch back that row here first. Pitch back that one there. We try flat out the pan
Yeah,
first.
you got this. You take one and go back down.
So this is how it's sitting over people, so yeah. We're going to run some tile. They don't know it go. You lock up back them area. So that's the main thing we are trying to do. We just lock out them area. You know, see if we can catch back in. So as you can see, yeah, we'll come around. Yeah, so we'll catch from down there. So yeah. So we are going still. As I say, I'll just see how it in turn. We have to take up back some tile to make some tile work out back. So the process we're in right now. Yeah, so I will drop that tile right now.
The same one like out of this turn on now.
Which one?
Gear pump. The same way operate.
Yeah. Run sometime in the evening.
Look like you not go out with that thing. Oh wow. It's a upgrade out the ass.
Yeah.
What am I gonna do with that seamless now, brother?
I'm gonna do what?
That seamless. How many growth is enough?
That will go out, man. I should drop a little bit below you.
I carry it.
First try. I take a 116 and a fight.
Yeah?
I'm gonna brush that tire there. So see the way I line up the tile on the cutter. Yeah. So that tile there bust. Yeah, so that I go right up in the corner up there, so. Yeah. Alright, my people, so see it now. We have the last tile we want dropping up in the corner there. Yeah. So the porch almost done. Yeah, as I said, the porch almost done. Yeah. So that's how everything look like. Yeah, so I have that one tile in the corner here, so one drop in. Yeah. Yeah, some more up there, so drop in the last tile in the corner. You know, so you can't drop in nothing more there, so. Yeah, so we basically finish. Just have one row of tile to come down the line here, so. Right down the line. You know, the next piece fall right in the corner here, so. I tell them that from morning, man. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how we do right now in the evening, yeah.
Before the mosquitoes start dying.
Yeah, when they come out, you can't turn.
And when they ready, they just put them by you.
They come like a real phantom.
But you know the funniest thing with them, you see them kundong bad for one hour and a half, you know, and then
Ease off, you know. And just before it dark again, they come up on you wicked again.
alright, car that come shy.
Yeah, man, they can't keep
Oh yeah, like a one piece there. John Murphy, I'm on it.
it. Yeah, man.
You can't drop in.
If you turn up in a year, if you got
I thought you want.
Alright, brush off that tile for me. Brush off your book. Yeah, so as we say.
4 times.
3
3 plus. Yeah.
Anything can happen, you know. That's why I'm gonna work with exact tile.
anything there, it's cut down, you can't come after. I'm gonna try that, come out in the video.
Yes, my people, so this is the closing point for the evening. Yeah. So as I say, we have the road tile of drop in. Yeah, everything drop in around it. So one piece up in the corner there. Yeah. So this is how it will look like. As I say with this, the one I couldn't bear to see the whole tile them. So I'm just harder to dig up them, continue with the tile them. Yeah, so you know. Yeah, so as I say, we cut out and drop in, fit in back. Yeah, everything look nice and sweet. So we are dropping it from this up. Yeah, looking nice. Alright, my peeps, the seat on the porch done up. Yeah, so every last piece of tile drop in. Yeah, so as you can see, clean up, ready for growth, but until the sun growth in can go on. The rain fall, the giant is full of water. Yeah, and see it there right now, it start drew back. So, you know, we can't do nothing about that. So we just have to leave it for the time being. You know, as I say, once the rain fall upon it, we can't do nothing name growing. Yeah, so everything clean up. Yes, so we clean up and ready for growth, but you know, the water in it. Yeah, so we just have to leave that for the time being. Yeah, see there right now, the rain start drew back again. Yeah, so this is how with them people, so as I say, finish. Every piece of tile drop in, you know, catch back so good. You not even can notice, say, why ain't going on this so. But you know, work out good. Yeah. Pretty decent. Yeah, so all of the water on channel right back to the corner down there so. Yeah. So all of the water channel back there so. So yeah, this is how it looks so far. Yeah, this is the part of window first. Yeah. So that is yeah, so this is the joining. Yeah, so as I say everything done up here now. Yeah, so as I say, this is the joining. Yeah. So as you know, we take up and catch back. Catch back good. So yes, my people, so another job complete. You know, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. You know, if you watch the video to this far, you know, it's not hard to just subscribe to the channel. You know, support the channel. Yeah. So as I say, we're done, you know. We just grow it up, but as you can see, we clean up and everything. Rainfall, the joint them full of water. So you know we can't do no grouting. So we just have to leave it as it is. Another day we'll come back and, you know, once the sun out and everything dry out, then you know we're good to go. Yeah, but looking good so far. Yeah, nice little porch. Yeah. As I said, the rain still a Joe. You know, so we're not even can think about grouting right now again. So you know, we're there up on the train, my people, so you know, I want to say big up to all of the supporters, them, you know, enough respect every time. Yeah, all of the loyal supporters, them. Alright, my people.